lesson in mathematics. This is our lesson 4 in maths. My name is Miss Arthur, and today we'll be looking at numbers, and under numbers we'll look at number operations. Last week we looked at number operations. Now before we start today's lesson, let's look at our objectives. Okay, so by the end of today's lesson, you should be able to add numbers in horizontal form. So you should be able to add 1 to 2 digit numbers or 1 to 3 digit numbers in horizontal form. 2, you should be able to add 2 digit numbers. We've done digit numbers. You should be able to add 2 digit numbers in their tens. Good. And the third objective, you should be able to solve addition story problem involving 2 digit numbers. Very good. Let's look at our keywords. We are using the keywords for last week. So the first keyword is addends. Addends. So when we say addends, it means a number which is added to another number. A number which is added to another number. So if I have 5 plus 5, the 5 and the 5 is our addends. Let's look at the sum. The next keyword, which is sum. So sum is the total amount resulting from the addition of 2 or more numbers, amounts or items. So when we were looking at our addends, we said 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 will give us what? 10. So 10 is our sum, or the total amount when you added the 5 plus 5. Now let's move on. In our previous lesson, we looked at adding addends and getting the sum of the 2 addends. Then we also talked about recognizing counting in what? Addition. We said counting is related to what? Addition. And we looked at story problems. You try to solve story problems involving addition. Today we are going to do interesting things and activities in mathematics. Okay, our first objective was that we are going to add 2 to 3 digit numbers. You all know what digits are. They are numbers from 0 to 9. We said that in our previous lesson. So from 0 to 9. So let's choose any number we like for the first one. So the first one, I will choose 3. Then I'll bring my operation sign, which is plus. Another number, 2. Then the last number, 2. Okay, so I have 3 plus 2 plus 2. So you are trying to add 3 digit numbers standing on their own. So you are going to add 2 plus what? 3 plus 2 and plus 2. Now, in order to get this correct, we can use number line. So I'm going to draw a number line on the board, and we try to jump or skip count it to get the sum or the total of the numbers we have over here. Okay, so we have our number line here, and we've assigned numbers to it from 0 to what? To 10. So we are going to find the number or the total when we add the addends together. So when we add 2 plus 3 plus what? 3 plus 2 plus 2. What will be the answer? Okay, so let's try and assign our numbers to it. Okay, let's try and assign the first number, which is 3. So 3, we will start here, then count 1, 2, 3. So you move your line to this part. You write your 3 here, small, 3. Then you move to the next one. The next number is what? 2. So you stand here, you count 1. You stand here, you count 1, 2. So you move, you write your 2 here. Then the next number is what? 2. Let's count 1, 2. I'm moving to this number. So what did we get here? This is the end of it. Because 3, we have our 3 here, our 2 here, and our 2 here. So what the last number is what? 7. So when we add 3 plus 2 plus 2, you get what? 7. So we can use number line to find the total or the sum of addends. So if you have 2 or 3 digit numbers that you are supposed to add, you can use the number line to find out the answer. Now let's try another one. Okay, so I have my number line here. We are going to, and I've assigned numbers to it. We are going to look for addends, okay? Then later on we look at the sum when you add the addends together. So give me addends, numbers that you are going to 3 digit numbers. Now I want numbers in 1 to 3 digits, okay? So let me take 4 as my first number, plus 2 plus 3. We are going to look out for the sum. Now my addends are 4, 2, and 3. Now let's look for the sum. So I will start here, which is what? 0. Then jump to the 4th place, because here is saying we should look for what? We are going for 4 times. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means it will be on where? On 4. Then we move to the next one, which is what? 2. You count 1, 2. So you write your 4 here, your 2 here, so that someone can identify what you are doing. Then the next one, 1, 2, 3. So it will be on what? 9. So what is our answer? Yes, our answer is 9. Very good. So you write the 9 here, meaning 4 plus 2 plus 3 will give us what? 9. This is very easy. So you can draw your number line and take any addends and try to do it on your own. Good. Okay, now let's look at our next objective. Our next objective, we said we'll be looking at what? Adding of 2 digit numbers. We've done 2 digit numbers. You are looking at numbers in their tens form, okay? We've done 2 digit numbers. So give me a 2 digit number. 22. Very good. 22. Another one. 14. Good. So 22 plus 14. So this is in what? Horizontal form. This when you have a line like this is what? Horizontal, and this is vertical. So if you are given 2 digit numbers, you cannot arrange it in what? In vertical form. So these numbers and their horizontal form, we are going to arrange it to a vertical form. So I have 22. So the last digit is what? 2. That is our ones. And the tens is what? 2. Ones, 4. Tens, 1. Then you bring your operation sign. Don't forget it. Bring your operation sign. Okay. Now 2 plus 4 will give us what? Let's do the counting. We have our 2 there already. We are going to use the counting relating to what? Addition. We have our 2 there already. Let's count to the 4th time. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 will give us 6. Now let's look at the next one. 2 plus 1, we have 2 there already. We are adding 1 to it, so 2, 3. Okay, so we have 36. So 22 plus 14 will give us 36. So anytime we are giving addition of 2-digit numbers in horizontal form, you change it to the vertical form so that you add the ones and the tens in order to get the correct answer. Now let me give you another one. You try it and we'll do it here. Okay, so I have 2 double numbers here, 14 and 14. You're going to add 14 plus 14. This is in horizontal form. So we said we can change it to what? To the vertical form. I have the horizontal here. Lines which are like this are called what? Horizontal. Then we have this as our what? Vertical. So we are going to change the 14 plus 14 to what? Vertical into vertical form. So our ones always come first. So 4, then tens, 1, 4, then 1. Then you write your operation sign here neatly. Good. Okay, so 4 plus 4. We are going to use relating of what? Counting to addition. We have 4 already. Let's add 4 to it. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 will give us 8. You write your 8 here. Then 1 plus 1. You have your 1 there already. 1, 2. So 14 plus 14 will give us 28. We have 28 here. So when you add the addends together, you get the what? You get the sum. Now let's move on to our last objective. We are going to solve story problems involving addition. And with addition, we are doing 2-digit numbers. So you are going to solve story problems with 2-digit numbers. You are going to add it together. Okay, now I have story for you. Are you ready? Okay, let's move on. Sit down and listen to my story. For reading assignment, Asida read 27 pages on Saturday and another 21 on Sunday. For reading assignment, Asida read 27 pages on Saturday and another 21 on Sunday. How many pages did he read all over? How many pages did he read all over? So we've been given 2-digit numbers. In order to find out the total, we have to do what? We have to add it. The first day, which is Saturday, he read 27 for Saturday. Then Sunday, he read 21. So 21 for what? For Sunday. Now we are going to look at the total. So we are going to add. Okay, so 27 plus 21. Let's try and change this from horizontal to what? To vertical. Very good. So our ones, we have 7 and 2. Ones, 1, tens, 2. The operation sign is here. 7 plus 1. We have 7 there already. Plus 1, 8. Very good. Write your 8 here. 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4. So Asida read 48 pages. Asida read 48 pages. Okay, let's move on. My last story. Jane got 44 candies on her birthday. And her mother added additional 22 to it. So Jane got what? 44 candies on her birthday, and her mother came to what? Add 22 to it. 22. What will be the total of candies when added together? What will be the total number of candies when added together? So I've used the vertical already because I know you know how to change it from horizontal towards vertical. Okay, so 4 plus 2. I have my 4 already. Let's add 2 to it. 4, 5, 6. 6. 4 plus 2. 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. So I have what? 66. So Jane got 66 candies together. So when you add the 44 plus the 22, you get what? Is 66. Very good. I have an assignment for you. Look on your screen and do the following work for me. So the first one, I have 2 plus 5 plus 5. 2 plus 5 plus 5. The second one, 55 plus 22. 55 plus 22. The next one is 14 plus 13. 14 plus 13. And the last one is 3 plus 2 plus 4. 3 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, so do the work for me. When we meet at Zoom, we will discuss it. Be good children and always wash your hands with soap and under running water. Bye-bye.